A Borla ATAK exhaust for a 2019 Ford F-150 is an aftermarket performance exhaust, catback style, designed to deliver a louder, more aggressive exhaust note and improved flow over the stock exhaust. Here are the key features, specifications, and trade-offs of the Borla ATAK system as applied to a 2019 F-150, key features and specs. From Borla's own product listings for the 2019 F-150. The system typically has a 3.00 inches inlet which transitions into dual 2.25 inches outlets after the muffler. The exhaust tips are 4-inch, bright chrome, or in some versions black chrome, on T304 stainless steel. The exit setup is a single split rear exit, i.e., flow divides in the back, for many configurations. The system is constructed from high-quality T304 stainless steel, mandrel bent tubing, to improve exhaust velocity and reduce restrictions. Borla backs their exhaust systems, including ATAK, with a 1,000,000-mile warranty. The ATAK variant is their most aggressive/loudest option in Borla's lineup. Sound and performance. The ATAK is tuned for maximum sound, high decibel, aggressive tone. It's meant to be a bold, performance-oriented exhaust. Borla claims it achieves this without drivetrain drone, i.e. resonant, unpleasant rumble inside the vehicle, in typical usage. Borla.com. In terms of performance gains, horsepower/torque, users generally don't expect huge gains just from the exhaust alone. Most of the benefit is in reduced back pressure and improved exhaust flow, rather than dramatic power jumps. Some users report that in certain modes, e.g. quiet or eco modes, the exhaust stays reasonably subdued despite the ATAK system. Fitment and considerations. The Borla catalog shows a part number 140614 for some 2019 F-150 catback systems. The ATAK style is offered for engines like 2.7L, 3.5L, 5.0L in the 2019 F-150, as per Borla's listing, with 2WD/4WD and multiple cab/body styles. If your truck is a Raptor or a variant with special exhaust routing, the standard ATAK might not be directly compatible. Many offerings explicitly exclude Raptor. Some versions require adapters depending on wheelbase/bed length/cab configuration, e.g. Borla's docs list adapters 60556, 60564 for certain F-150 chassis variants.